Hi, Kurt, Steve, and I are at West Yellowstone KOA, and we are preparing for going out into the backcountry for a week, 5 days. So I've got all my gear laid out, and I'll walk through it and show you everything that I'm taking. So I'll start off with clothes. Obviously, I'm wearing some hiking clothes and hiking shoes, but then there's some things that I'll pack. So I've got a rain jacket up there up top, and then I've got thermal long johns and a shirt I might hike in or sleep in. I've also got a long sleeve thermal there. I've got a couple pair of socks and one pair of underwear, some gloves, a buff. Obviously I've got my trekking pole there, and those are gaiters. Those go on my feet, around my shoes, keep rocks out of my shoes. There's micro spikes for in case we encounter any significant snow. Basically those just wrap around my shoes and give better traction on snow or ice. The carabiner there is to hang it off my pack. And let's see, so into the first aid kit, I've got some rehydration salts there, and got some Benadryl, Imodium, and moleskin, and pocket knife. Got some water treatment tablets there, just as kind of a backup in case my filter breaks. Got sunscreen, Gold Bond for chafing, and Band-Aids. Got some hydrocortisone cream and some triple antibiotic cream. Got some Deep Woods Off and toothpaste, toothbrush. Got some Motrin in there, also some just prescription medicine and some vitamins, an extra lid in case I lose one, an extra gasket for the water filter, chapstick. That jar there holds my dental appliance for my sleep apnea. And for going to the bathroom, got some hand sanitizer there, bags to hold all this, a trowel to dig the hole, and toilet paper, obviously. I've got a container there to hold either my glasses or my sunglasses, as well as it holds all of these small items here, and headlamp, an ABC watch. It's got an altimeter, barometer, compass, and temperature, as well as time. Some power cables, a recharger that goes with the solar panel there that's on my backpack. That is an air mattress for sleeping on, and I've got a life-proof case, and that's a tripod that goes on the gimbal that I'm using to film with now. And that's a pillow, an air pillow. Got some navigation stuff here, compass, map of the area we're going to be in, my inReach device, satellite communicator, just a little survival tool here. It's got various things on it, saw, fish hooks, things like that, in worst case, right? I've got the permit. There's some people over here making a lot of noise. Got bear spray, and my water bottles, 1.5 liters each. Another 3-liter water container. There's my water filter. Saw my backpack. There's a peanut bottle. That's what I use as a pee bottle at night. My bear spray there. So then I've got all my food and kitchen stuff. So for a day, example of a day, I got some Cliff Bars for breakfast, some Cliff Bars for lunch as snacks, and some ramen to cold soak, and some Fritos there. Got some electrolyte replacement powder, some sauces, and all of this varies day by day. You know, kind of do some variety. And I've got a meal to go for another snack, and then dinners. I'll have warm dinners. I'll cook dinners. Everything else is just cold. Got a jar of peanut butter here, as well as some spices. My spoon, bag that holds all the food, and the rope that we hang at night. And then so there's food for every day. Like I said, variety for each day. So there's day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5 we don't need a dinner. This will be coming out. And as far as stove, the aluminum foil there is a wind block to wrap around the cat can stove, super cat stove. My pot here has a screw-on lid, so I can cold soak in it, or I can carry extra water in it, or I can boil water in it on the super cat can stove. It's just a Fancy Feast cat food can with holes punched in it, and pour heat in it. That's heat in this bottle here. Pour heat in it, light it, and it'll boil water. And then bags to store all of that. I've got obviously my sleeping bag here, and also my tent. So this is all the gear I'm taking out for a 5-day backcountry trip in Yellowstone.